Hello, this is me gonna do a video showing you how to make a crab and mushroom omelet. So yeah. Hey. So first thing you're gonna do, ingredients you're gonna need is you're gonna need some crab meat. I have 2 8-ounce containers of crab meat. I have some package of mushrooms are already sliced and washed. Got some green onion, salt and pepper, obviously, eggs, obviously, butter. Got some Monterey Jack cheese, and also some garlic. I just have some minced garlic. So yeah. So what we're going to start off first is with the mushrooms. We're going to get our pan started heating, and we're going to, while that's heating, we're just going to get a tablespoon of butter, or 3 tablespoons of butter. You've got your 3 tablespoons of butter in there. Just kind of make sure to kind of mix it up. Once that's all nice and melted, we're going to go ahead and throw some garlic in there. I'll put in about 2 teaspoons, which should be about 2 cloves, and throw in the mushrooms. I'm doing more than enough mushrooms for an omelet because I'm making some for the rest of my family. So while we're sauteing with mushrooms and getting them nice and brown and soft and delicious, we're going to make our crab mixture. So we're going to take our crab and just throw it in the bowl. Then we're going to take our green onion, line these guys up, and we're just going to make small cuts. And that should be good. See, not sure if you can see, but you can kind of see that there should be able to see just a good mixture of green onion in there. Will still be mostly crab. So yeah. Go ahead and add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper to the crab mix. Just give it some flavor. And keep mixing it. So with the mushrooms being properly sauteed, every time they chunk out of it, you're just going to take them out and throw them on a plate with a paper towel on it. So the paper towel just kind of soak up some of the juices. Okay, so now we're going to make the egg mixture for the omelet. So we will add about 3 eggs. Grab 3 eggs and just go ahead and get them in there. I'm just going to take a small fork and just start beating it back and forth. Make sure to get all of it. Make sure that everything's beaten together and smooth. So now our eggs beaten, we're going to put in another about tablespoon and a half of butter into this pan and swirl it around. Make sure to get everything coated. I did turn down the heat a little bit for this because eggs cook a lot better when not under high heat, under too high of heat. And now that all the butter's nice and melted, we're just going to throw in our egg mixture. Nice thing about this little pan is it will keep everything kind of in the center. And then it gets to about right there. Just moving it. take your cheese. Good amount of cheese. Cheese is good, especially on an omelet. Some of our crab mixture. And some of our mushrooms. We're going to fold this. Fold it. Then we're just gonna take our plate and slide this right on. And that's when you're gonna garnish it. Normally I would do like parsley or something, but I didn't pick up any parsley, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some paprika on it. Not too much. And there you have it. So then we have our final product right here, and we're just going to cut into it and see how good that looks. It looks pretty good to me. Awesome. And that is how you make a crab mushroom omelet. Thank you.